Today, I will teach you how to download, install and configure PPSSPP, the best emulator for playing PSP games on PC and Android devices. I will also be showing you guys the best settings to utilize as well to get the best performance and best FPS on your PC and your Android devices. So do make sure to stick to the end of this video. Now, the first thing you are going to be needing is the PSSPP emulator. If you are using a PC device, simply search for PPSSPP for PC. That is going to, show you the main website. This is the main website. So once you get to the main website, just click on download. Once you click on download, it's going to ask you which device you are downloading it on. So for this video, we are downloading on the PC device. So I'm going to click on this. You can see it's already downloading. Now, if you have an Android device, simply go to your Google Play Store and search for PPSSPP emulator and just download it. It's that simple. Now, let's install it for our PC. Now, you can see the emulator is right here. So I'm going to be installing this emulator real quick. Click on OK. Install. And just like that, the PSSPP emulator is done installing on my device. So I just have to click on finish. Once I click on this, it's going to open my emulator. Now you can see my emulator is open. Now normally once your emulator open, it's going to create a PSP folder inside your document section. So let me go and check. So if I go to my document section real quick, you see that there is a PSP folder in here. So you can see that this is the PSP folder containing all the components and stuff that I'm going to be needing to play my PSP games. Now, if it does not create this folder for you, then it's quite simple. You can just click on browse. Once you click on browse, then just select any folder you want to utilize and then click select folder, and immediately it's going to create that folder in there for you. Now, we're done with the installation setup. Now let's go ahead and impute a game in here for us to play, because as you can see, there's no game in here to play. To do that, simply locate your game file. So let me locate my game file real quick. Now you can see these are my game files. So for this video, this is the one I'm going to be playing. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this game file, and then I'm going to go to my document section inside my PSP folder. Then I'll go to the game folder, and then I'm going to paste my game file in here. Now you can see that this is still a zip game file, which means I might not be able to play it. So I'm going to be extracting this file. Now, if you are not able to extract on your device, simply go and download in a WinRAR. Just look for this WinRAR app, download it on your PC, and you'll be able to extract game files like zip files, 7Z files and stuff like that. So right now, let me just extract this file real quick. Alright, right now it is done extracting. So I'm going to be deleting this zip file because I no longer need that. Now you can see that the main game file is in here now. So let's go back to our emulator. So now if we go back to our emulator, you're going to see that the game is here and the game is ready to play. So it's just that simple. It's the same thing on your Android device. Just extract your game file, put it inside the PPSSPP game folder, and just like that you'll be able to play the game. Now you are going to be needing some good settings, especially if you are using a PC device. So let me show you how to set up your settings for your PC device. These settings also apply for your Android devices. Now the first thing you need to look into is your rendering resolution. Now if you are using a PC that is not that powerful, you can go for 1x PSP or 2x PSP. But if you are using a very good PC, you can use 8x PSP or 4x PSP. As for me, I'm going to be using 4x PSP. Then once you are done with that, frame skipping, put it at 2, auto frame skip, turn it on, and that's it. Now you can choose to use full screen mode, but for this video I'm not going to be using full screen mode. So let me play this game and show you guys how it actually feels to play PSP game on PC device. Now you are going to be needing a controller. I almost forgot. You are going to be needing a controller if you are playing on your PC device. And the best controller you can use for this PPSSPP emulator is your Xbox 360 controller. So I'm going to be inserting my controller right now. So right now I've inserted my controller. You can see game controller connected. Now you can see I'm controlling this game right now with my controller. So it's just that simple. So make sure you get yourself the Xbox 360 controller. It's very, very important. Now let's play this game and see how it actually goes. All right.
Let's get it on! Ja! I'll mess you up with a 16-hit combo! My turn!
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.